Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This is a 360 video and you can view around by swiping, tilting, clicking, whatever works for your device. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving south on O'Mara Road towards Chisholm Avenue. Turning off O'Mara Road onto O'Mara Crescent. On the left is Carter Avenue. Also here on the left is Trinity Moravian Church. O'Mara Crescent ends and Montgomery Avenue begins. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.